We have a 94% first trip response rate, which means that we were there within the SLA, we were there with a part, we were able to remedy the solution. We also measure a metric called sparing effectiveness. So we measure, was the part on the shelf before the call happened? What you'll find if you engage with Service Express is we measure everything fanatically. And so we measure, was it on the shelf before the call happened? And that sparing effectiveness then feeds in to tell us if OnDeck is doing what it's supposed to do. And so that actually runs at a 90% rate. So that difference between 90% and 94% first trip response includes our next business day customers, which even a next business day customer will benefit from OnDeck. And it will, and it also talks to calls that we actually didn't need to consume a part on to repair. So for a customer that's experiencing downtime, which is the most critical thing in that data center, we're going to have them up faster than anybody else in the industry.